In this video, I'll show you how to download the new Marcus Brownlee app. With this app, you can get a lot of different backgrounds. Now, to get this Marcus Brownlee app, first thing you do is go to the Play Store. And the name of this Marcus Brownlee app is panels.art. So when we search for it, we can try to look for it. However, when we search for it, we can actually not find the panels.art app, even if we search for its specific name. However, there is another way to find it, and that is to go to Marcus Brownlee Panel Art website. Now, the website is panels.art, and then we can see this beautiful interface. Transform your screen into an art gallery with curated wallpapers. Now, when we click on this black button, download the app, this will automatically take us to the Play Store. So we click on it, and here we can find it, panels.art. It currently has 1.6 stars, which is really bad, and 50,000 downloads. If we want to install it, we just click on install. And now it will start installing. So we need to wait for a little bit. It will take us 13 megabytes. And after waiting for a little bit, we can now see that the Panels app is installed. When we click on open, this will take us to the app. Here we can sign in with Google or join Panels Plus or skip for now. Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe.